When Thomas got to the top of the hill, he noticed something strange. That's funny. Looks like the hill slopes up again at the bottom. It's never done that before. Hey, where'd my trucks go? Oh, there they are. I feel sort of strange. Wow, that was awesome. Wait, what? The circus here? But I thought that was next week.
Well, Thomas, you were so excited about it, we decided to surprise you.
We built a winding course and told the trucks to bump you when you were at the top of the hill. Then we sat back and watched your very own circus trapeze act. Wow, thanks guys, but why the trapeze? That's because Percy wanted to be the clown. Bart, let's push him again. Back for breakfast again, Thomas?